No.
And now we play Tetris.
That's not going there. Got it. Done.
You two are going to be our little vloggers this weekend, are you?
Yeah.
Working together.
Are you ready to drive through enclosures and stuff at Longleat?
Yeah.
Where are we going camping? All I know is I'm doing camping until
Wednesday afternoon, all the way till Saturday.
That's really helpful while I drive. Stopping for the essentials. Nom nom nom. Are we ready for the next stretch, boys?
Yeah!
Alfie, you're not on. It's not on.
Yeah, you're gonna stop battling.
Ow! I'm okay.
Are you ready for the next stretch?
Needed.
You
And
literally
earplugs.
punched me.
La la la.
It's either the Den and Orchard or the Fox that we're looking for. Den and Orchard. So let's keep going through to the back.
Does anybody know where the campsite parking is?
There it is!
Whoosh.
Huzzah!
Field that we're camping on.
Yeah, that one right
That
there.
one, yeah. You gotta go and stamp down all those flowers for us, okay? Make a little spot.
Yeah.
Alright.
Me and Alfie can make angels.
Yep.
Yeah.
Get me like. I'm gonna grab our shoes on them.
Do
We,
this.
we have arrived, but in the words of the travel man, should we have come?
What?
Keep going! Don't stop! You can do it! Ooh, sad map.
Reception and the Fox takeaway.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Are you the mascot? Hello, how's it going? Yeah.
Oh, there you go, look.
Wait, is there anything here?
Go on, go and have a look. Oh, so we go on 8 there.
Hey, right
Yeah.
next to the fire pits.
Yeah.
I'd offer to help, but instead I'm just going to film you and pretend like I'm helping.
This is kids' live streams, you know. Oh, pull it, but not so much.
How does it smell?
bloody handsome.
She gone, here, one of them is mine, come back!
No, no, no. 2 kids, 2 ciders. Beasting.
Lazy goat.
Crazy goat.
Crazy goat.
Honey.
Cheers.
Oh, that's nice. But
Mine's better.
no, mine's better. Perfect. Look at that, working out nicely, eh? What cooking?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Sausage.
Sausage.
Meat.
So we've got a little salad to go with it.
Yeah, we got some vegetable food, some vegetarian options. Hang on. Different implement. There we go. All of the implements.
Where are those boys at? So we come to the gorgeous countryside, beautiful setting, lovely outdoor space, sunshine. What are you two doing?
Games.
Oh, we've had more games.
Yeah.
Just give me the fast order.
Alfie wanted this one, but I
No
can't.
rooster.
Yeah, it's taken a while to
This place is awesome. Absolutely awesome.
And
We
you're
ready
like,
for Longleat?
I still
Yes, we're going to go and feed small children to
and then you
lions.
crash and then there's as well.
Are you boys ready?
Yeah.
What are you most looking forward to seeing?
Ostrich
Flamingos.
and wolf.
The cats!
The cats.
The big cats!
Oh, not like
Ostrich and
Ranger.
wolf.
We've not brought Ranger with us, have we?
I want to see ostrich and wolf.
Yeah.
Ostrich stick head in ground.
As long as we don't put the windows up with the lion enclosure. Because Adam.
Do you mean the windows down?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give them a little scratch under the chin, they'll be fine. I love it.
No, I'm more worried about Adam.
We've timed
The
this wrong.
windows down.
In a quarter of a mile,
How we get
turn
up?
right.
Okay, miss that now.
I'm more worried about me. And
Now we wait.
So we drive through. They're gonna be so cute. I want to give them a squidge. Mom, can I give them a squidge? Just a little one.
You can go and hug a cheetah if you want to.
I want to hug a cheetah cub and a mummy cheetah.
I'm sure they will love that.
Spike. Every animal I want, I'm able to hug. That's not dangerous.
Cheetahs aren't dangerous.
Yeah, like porcupines. They're kind of because,
They are
like,
card games.
but then I would stroke everyone. Give
Dad
them a
joke of the
cuddle.
day, number 1.
The first animal I want to cuddle is a cheetah.
Okay, I'm sure they'll let you.
Insert a picture of lion maiming
I
small
just
child.
want like a stroking
Yeah, it'll be
area.
fine. Start your adventure.
Just follow that sign, yeah?
No, we're not going out, we go in.
We got in.
We go in. What's this?
Ooh, that's a really cool.
These symbolise the circle of life and the continual movement of life into death, which
And
is
the
then
pond.
reborn.
Ooh,
what? That's really cool.
Absolutely no idea.
Over the edge there, come to you. No touching, no teasing.
Got the whole branch, isn't he?
Oh, they pull hard.
Make sure you got hold of it.
Just stand there, actually, for now.
You turn the stick round. You've got that end to then get. Does that work? Can I reach it? Are you going to come up?
I still got a few beats.
No. You can have the whole thing. Big
Mum.
The brother is the dominant male, and you can see his leg and his elbows sticking out of the window at the side of the house. That's Pisho.
He keeps on getting them. I can tell who's the oldest, youngest, and
That right there is Spot. She holds a couple of records here. She's our longest serving animal.
Look at the detail in that guy.
Made it. We made it.
Man, make fire. Man, try and make fire. I'm using strange kindling like never seen before. Man, make fire.